Hi, my name is Sean Hobson and I represent 3M Company. 3M's wear and tear program is an excellent opportunity for a car dealership to increase its profit per car sold. Now, part of the wear and tear program are pre-cut door edge guards applied to the edges of cars, trucks, SUVs, and crossovers. The pre-cut door edge guards are made from 3M paint protection film, which is designed to protect the door's edges against chips and other damage. Now, the cost of material is only about $1.60 per door and only takes a minute or two to install, even by unskilled labor. Door edges are typically sold on the addendum for $100 plus. So for about $7 and 5 minutes of time, you can add an extra $93 per car to the bottom line. Installing pre-cut door edge guards is actually very easy and only takes a few minutes. Just watch. In addition to pre-cut door edges, 3M offers dealerships other high profitable, low cost of goods sold aftermarket products such as pre-cut door cups and automotive window tint. Please contact us for more information.